Spring is finally here, and that means it's time to brighten up your classroom with fresh, fun, and colorful decorations. But when it comes to decorating your classroom door, where do you start? Should you go for a floral theme, a springtime animal design, or something interactive for students? If you're looking for creative and eye-catching spring classroom door decoration ideas, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 10 amazing spring door decoration ideas that will transform your classroom into a vibrant and welcoming space. Stick around until the end because I have a special interactive idea that your students will love.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What are some classic spring-themed classroom door decorations? A classic spring-themed door creates a bright and cheerful atmosphere that celebrates the season. One timeless idea is a Hello Spring floral door, where colorful paper flowers, vines, and butterflies frame the doorway, making it feel like a garden entrance. Another fun classic is a rainbow and sunshine door, featuring a large paper rainbow, cotton ball clouds, and a smiling sun to symbolize warmth and positivity. A third great idea is the April Showers Bring May Flowers theme, where raindrops and umbrellas are displayed on the door, leading to a lower section filled with colorful paper flowers that grow as the season progresses. If you love these classic spring themes, make sure to like and share this video so more teachers can create a bright and welcoming classroom space. How can I create an interactive spring classroom door? An interactive classroom door makes learning fun and encourages student engagement. One creative idea is a Bloom Where You Are Planted board, where each student writes their name or a positive message on a flower and adds it to a growing classroom garden. Another fun interactive option is a Spring into Learning door, where students attach book recommendations, vocabulary words, or spring-themed facts to flowers, raindrops, or leaves. A Be Yourself Hive door, featuring a beehive with students' names on buzzing bees, is a great way to promote individuality and teamwork. Got a favorite interactive door idea? Drop a comment below and let me know which one your students would love. What are some fun animal-themed spring door decorations? Spring is the season of baby animals, so why not incorporate them into your classroom decor? A Some Bunny Loves Learning door, featuring fluffy bunnies, carrots, and a pastel background creates a soft and playful vibe. A Spring Chick Hatchlings theme, where students' names are written on little chicks breaking out of eggs, represents growth and new beginnings. A Busy Bees in the Classroom door, filled with flying bees and a honeycomb background, reminds students of the importance of teamwork and hard work. Want more fun animal-themed classroom ideas? Check the description for a full playlist of classroom decoration videos. What are some unique 3D spring classroom door ideas? A 3D door design adds an extra layer of creativity and makes the classroom entrance stand out. One idea is a butterfly garden door, where large, layered paper butterflies seem to fly off the door, creating a magical effect. Another eye-catching option is a springtime tree door, where a paper tree with real branches or crumpled brown paper extends across the door with blossoms and birds perched on it. A floating umbrella door, where a real or paper umbrella holds falling raindrops and flowers spilling out, adds a dynamic and exciting visual effect. Looking for supplies to create 3D classroom doors? Check the description for my top recommended decorating products. How can I incorporate learning themes into a spring classroom door? Spring door decorations can be both beautiful and educational. A springtime math garden can feature flowers with math problems on the petals and answers on the leaves to make learning fun. A Grow Your Vocabulary tree, where students add new words to paper leaves or flowers, encourages language learning. A Science in Bloom door, displaying life cycles of plants, butterflies, or frogs, adds a fun and interactive learning component to the classroom entrance. Want more learning-themed classroom ideas? Click the link in the description for my favorite educational decor ideas. What are some budget-friendly spring door decoration ideas? Decorating your classroom door doesn't have to be expensive. One great budget-friendly idea is using construction paper and recycled materials like tissue paper, newspapers, or cardboard to create flowers, trees, and butterflies. Repurposing old classroom posters and bulletin board cutouts can also help save money while still creating a fresh, spring look. A simple chalkboard or dry erase door design, where students can draw their own spring doodles or write daily affirmations, is a fun and cost-effective option. Looking for more budget-friendly classroom decor hacks? Subscribe now for more DIY and creative teaching tips. What are some Easter-inspired classroom door decorations? If you're celebrating Easter in the classroom, there are plenty of themed door decorations to choose from. A hoppy Easter bunny door, featuring pastel-colored eggs and a large bunny in the center, creates a fun and festive look. An egg-cellent learning theme, where students design their own decorated eggs to add to the display, encourages creativity. A bunny trail to success door, where student names are placed on bunny paw prints, leading to a motivational message, adds a positive and interactive touch. Want more Easter decorating ideas? Check the description for my favorite Easter classroom decor finds. How can I make my spring classroom door more personalized? Adding a personal touch to your classroom door helps create a warm and welcoming space. Our class's blooming theme, where each student's name is written on a flower, lets every child feel included. A sunshine and smiles board, where students take turns writing something positive each day, promotes kindness and motivation. A spring self-portrait gallery door, where students draw themselves in a spring scene, allows creativity while making the classroom feel personal and unique. Looking for ways to make your classroom more inviting? Check the description for links to my favorite personalized decor ideas. How can I make a spring door that lasts all season? If you want your classroom door to stay fresh and beautiful all season, choosing durable materials like laminated paper, foam cutouts, and fabric backdrops will make a big difference. Using Velcro strips or removable adhesive instead of tape makes it easy to switch out small elements throughout the season without damaging the design. Opting for weatherproof decorations like plastic flowers or pre-made store-bought spring cutouts ensures your door looks great even with daily use. Excited to keep your classroom decor fresh all season? Check the description for my favorite long-lasting decor supplies. What are some easy last-minute spring classroom door decorations? If you're short on time, simple but effective decorations can still make a big impact. A quick paper flower border using pre-cut flowers and vines instantly adds a spring feel. A large printed poster with a spring quote, like "Bloom where you are planted," creates an effortless but meaningful decoration. A DIY spring banner with paper bunting and bright colors adds an instant seasonal touch with minimal effort. Need quick decorating ideas? Check the description for links to shop easy-to-use spring decor items. Spring is the perfect time to refresh your classroom and make it feel bright, welcoming, and full of life. Whether you love floral themes, fun animal designs, interactive learning elements, or budget-friendly decor, there's a perfect classroom door idea for everyone. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for more spring classroom inspiration. Happy decorating!